bells swing, jingle bells ring, snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime in jingle bell time, dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time! It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time to go gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up a jingle horse, pick up your feet, a jingle around the clock. Mix and a mingle and a jingling beat. That's the Jingle Bell Rock.
Hey, good morning, everyone. Happy holidays. We have special guest Pinetree Trader in the house. Good morning, Pinetree Trader.
Good morning. What's up, everyone? I was like, I can't, because I can only hear your voice. I can't hear the music.
Oh, you can't hear the music?
So I'm like, I see you over there dancing, and then I clicked on YouTube, and I'm like, oh, there's music playing.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Terri Trades 100. We have Pinetree Trader in the house, and we have a special holiday episode for you. We will be doing a giveaway, a 25K Lucid Flex giveaway later during the show.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. And I will be challenging Pinetree Trader to a trading duel.
A five tick.
A five tick profit challenge.
Okay.
Let's go. Good morning, Tris, Thai, Trader 007, Adrian. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, our friends. Smoke, Heather. Who else is in the house? V Gabber, Zoe. Let's go. So how have you been since you've last been on the show?
Good. So good. Yeah. Really good. How are you? The channel's growing.
Tell us about it. It's growing. And what has your experience been in this past year? Because like we're coming to an end of a year now, and you've been streaming for a little over a year, right?
Yeah. Almost to 6,000 subscribers. Pretty awesome.
Let's go.
Your channel's growing. You're over 2,000 now.
Yes.
Almost at 3.
Yes. Thanks, you guys.
That's
Oh,
pretty
I'm
awesome.
at 2,000, I think 300 this morning. Thank you so much for subscribing, everyone. We are continuing to grow this show. And thank you for using code Terri also. And also code Pine, our friend here. And
thank you.
You're welcome. And how has your trading been?
It's been pretty good. Yeah. Last night I got beat up a little bit with gold trying to trade. Yeah, the NASDAQ just wasn't moving last night during Globex during my stream. And then so I tried to trade some gold and got beat up on stream pretty bad. And then when I hopped off stream, I started trading my Take Profit Pro account and got it and made about $4,500.
Ooh,
so,
let's go. $4,500 in the daily payout account with Take Profit Trader.
Yeah, daily payouts. Wow. Yeah, that's where it's at for me. I love the daily payouts. Like if anyone knows, like my channel, or whatever, I'm addicted to the daily payout stuff. So
that's your jam, the daily payouts.
Yeah. I don't know what it is. So I think psychologically, I just like getting paid, putting money in my pockets every day.
Yeah, and you can go max contract size right away, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can. Yeah, there's no scaling in or anything like that. But
do you typically do that, or do you how do you make 4,500 in one day? That's what we want to know.
I definitely was in like 3. I think maybe 3 gold contracts when the volatility was really picking up last night. And like 3 to 4 gold contracts. What I like to do is like I like to scalp with heavier size because it's got that intraday trailing on the pro accounts, and then once I get over the buffer, then I slow down a little bit.
Okay.
So, and then I kind of like psychologically, I look at it like I'm trying to pass the account, like I'm trying to pass an eval,
Yeah.
even though it's a pro account.
With an intraday, like trailing is kind of
Yeah, but
thoughts.
like, yeah, but like, and then I've been kind of digging the 150Ks for the pro accounts lately. I used to like the 50Ks. I still do. I still like the 50Ks, but something about those 150Ks, because once you're over the buffer, you have a lot more room to get those daily payouts every day,
Mm-hmm.
especially if you try to trade a mini. Because at that point you have $4,500 of drawdown.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love more drawdown.
I know.
I think 2,000 worth of drawdown, like it's a lot of drawdown for how much we pay for these accounts. But like the
Mhm.
more drawdown, the better. I feel more comfortable like trading more size. And
Yeah,
yeah, it can get you in trouble though, just because
it
like
can.
I can go on with max contracts and it's like it just it's not very much room, right? Excuse me.
Yeah, for sure. That's why I mean, with those Lucid Pro, I think, well, the 150K plans, the Lucid, the direct to funded ones, that $6,000 in drawdown.
I know, I love
Like
it.
you and I both got payouts on those.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Um,
It's so
and
much more than the 4,500, but you do have to be careful with that size component because I think we can trade like 10 minis with it. And
yeah,
if you go on till it's so easy just to put 10 on. Like, and then
yeah.
it's just vaporized. But there is like a max daily loss on it and it's a soft breach. So that protects you
Mm.
a little bit if you don't put in your own daily loss limit, which Pine, I'm still working on that piece. It's so hard. I don't know why. It's so simple. Like just make your
Yeah,
own daily loss. Very simple.
I
Um,
know.
I did hear the CEO of Trade Day speak in an interview. I think it was on Titans for Tomorrow, maybe, and he was talking about how his recommendation for a daily loss limit should be not more than how much you make on average on a green day. I thought that was really good advice.
Oh yeah, that is good advice. Pro Trader asks, am I feeling well? Yeah, no, I feel fine. I'm just waking up.
You guys,
I had to set an alarm clock for Terry. I'm so spoiled, guys. Like I mean, like this is my flex. I've never set an alarm clock. That's my flex.
oh my gosh, thank you so
It's
much for
it's not the Lambo. It's the I never set an alarm clock.
yeah,
So
and you get to wake up whenever your body tells you it's time to wake up.
yeah, but this morning I set an alarm clock and I was like, all right, time to wake up. So yeah,
You're not
so
normally
good.
awake this early, so thank you so much for coming onto the show. It's yeah. Adrian says Pie needs coffee.
It's true, and the funny thing is I don't drink caffeine, so like I haven't drank caffeine in probably over a decade.
Ooh,
So
are you ready to duel me?
yeah. So what are we doing? So 5 ticks. I'm even gonna do it in my pro account.
Are you
Yeah,
in the one that you made 4,500 in?
for today. Yeah.
Woo!
I
Okay, it's on. I'll do it in my sim funded too. I don't I don't have a pro account. I actually had a pro account the other day and I the trailing got me. I did not do a good job. Okay, so I will do this in my 50K funded core account.
nice.
So we're going to do 5 tick challenge.
Yeah. So
How many do you want to try and do? Like how many trades with 5 ticks?
just one.
Just one. Okay, just one with one mini because I can only do one mini in this core account.
Oh, you want me to do it with a mini? All right.
What? One mini
I
is
gotta change the.
the
I gotta make a
bracket.
bracket.
Yeah, I have a bracket too. I should change it. So I have this bracket set at 5 ticks. Okay, I'm gonna change it. Five. I have it set. I don't want to tell you because you'll know my magic now and you'll try and beat me. I, I have the take profit at 5 ticks and stop loss at 25.
Okay, I'm gonna
But
have it at 5 ticks, no stop loss.
okay, living on the wild side. All right, let's do a duel. The
So
first,
we do have news this morning, right?
yeah, we do. In about 20 minutes, we have GDP.
Okay, cool. So yeah, we're also gonna give away an Lucid account
Yes,
a bit
yep.
later in the stream. We got 25K Lucid
Flex.
Flex eval to give away.
Yes, I did put the form. I did pin it in chat. So everyone, make sure you get your name and your YouTube handle and your email on that form, and we'll do the wheel together before we take off for the holidays. And oh, we have to make sure we tell everyone about your show tonight. Pine, tell us about your show
Yeah,
tonight.
so Terry will be on with me later. Well, I don't know. You'll probably come on the last hour of my show, but my show will start at around 6 p.m. Eastern tonight. I have a bunch of accounts to give away, so it's gonna be a little Christmas party. I have a bunch of Apex accounts to give away. I have some Lucid accounts to give away. I have some Take Profit Trader accounts to give away. So
It's a holiday giveaway bonanza.
that's right. Yeah,
It-
it's gonna be crazy.
It's gonna be crazy. It's so many accounts. Like, I feel like you're going to be so busy giving away accounts.
Yeah, I know. Gonna have to keep track of it all, but I'm ready.
Let's
It'll be fine.
go. And
Everything will be fine.
everything will be fine. It'll be
Yeah.
okay. What time again?
We'll my shows will start around 6 p.m. Eastern time or 5:45 Eastern time. I usually hop on about 15 minutes before the Globex open, and then yeah, I'm sure Terry will join me like the last hour or so, and then
Yes.
we'll do a bunch of giveaways for the last hour of the show.
Yeah, I can't wait. And it's special because it's a special holiday giveaway. And just to say thank you for all the people who have supported you on this journey. It's
Yeah,
been an incredible journey. I've been watching you since the beginning, and it's incredible to see your growth and how much you contribute to everyone and entertain everyone. And I know it's not easy, right? Like trading live. Trading live,
yeah,
entertaining people, dealing with trolls, all of that. It's not easy. And I think just putting yourself out there too, it's like takes tremendous courage. And so it is a special show. It'll be a special show today.
thanks. Yeah, shout out to you too. I mean, it is hard to trade on stream in front of people. I mean, I blew up 5 evals last night. I wasn't proud of. It's like I didn't want to do it. I mean,
I know, right?
it's.
It's not like you're purposely trying to lose accounts.
I mean, it's not like I mean, not horrible. I mean, like today I have. I got $1,500 payout coming today from Take Profit Trader.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not like really the money part of it. Like when I lose like evals, because I trade a lot of evals during Globex just because I'm trying to get my feet wet,
Yeah.
just to see like how the market's gonna move and stuff. But and then like losing like 5 accounts online, right in front of everyone is like,
Sucks.
oh man. It's not about, like I said, it's not about the money because my payouts are gonna pay for to make new evals, but
yeah.
it's just like, the embarrassment of it sometimes. It's like, yeah, come on.
Oh, exactly. I
Yeah.
know. Like, I always think whenever I see like troll comments, it's like, let's see you trade live. Let's see how well you do. Yeah, it does add a different element to it. And it's not easy to put yourself out there, definitely. But I think at the same time, it's like everyone knows that you're human. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And your fans will always be your fans. Like people who are in your corner who like you and love you, like they will always like you and love you. Like it doesn't, they're not watching you because they're like, oh, Pine wins every single trade, and that's why I'm gonna watch him. And I
Right.
feel like the people who copy trade, like, if anyone copy trades out there who's listening right now, I totally get it. You're probably new to the game, and you're feeling like, okay, if these people get payouts, let me copy them. Um, you I strongly discourage it because you're not seeing all the trades off of stream that people take. And so like you might be copying someone's trades and maybe they win, maybe they lose, but like you're not seeing for example what Pine just did last night. Like it sounds like you lost some accounts, but and then afterwards like you made $4,500 in
Yeah.
a funded account. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it just, yeah, no. Don't
No
do that.
bueno.
No bueno,
Yeah,
no bueno.
it's
Don't
true.
do
You
it.
never know. Yeah, you don't know what they're doing, like off screen
Yeah.
or whatever.
Oh my gosh, exactly. And there are furus out there who are not disclosing that they're trading on a 100% sim account, like 100% paper account, and
Yeah.
it's dirty. Like
Mhm.
that
Yeah.
is just wrong.
Once you
But
once you've been once you stream a while and you've been a simfluencer for a while or whatever, you can kind of spot the tricks that people do, but it's
yes.
all good. Teach his own.
Yeah,
But
Adrian says you're also not seeing their trade management and also how they handle risk. 100%. Yeah.
yeah,
And you're not seeing how many accounts they have either. Like maybe they're rotating, maybe they have like 50 accounts in the back and you're only seeing like 10, you know. It's so
yeah,
true.
for sure.
Yeah.
Someone Jedwards asked what platform do we use? We use Tradeify.
Yeah.
So
This is
yeah, Terry and I
Tradeify.
both use Tradeify. I do like Quan Tower too, so I'll trade on Quan Tower. I
Oh,
used to
I
like
didn't
Project
realize that.
X, but that's kind of gone downhill, so I don't use Project X anymore.
Oh,
For the most part, I still have accounts that are on Project X. That my Lucid accounts are on Project X, just because I haven't lost them yet.
yeah.
But but yeah, we both trade on Tradeivate. Um, good
Oh,
morning, Mr. 10.
thanks for subscribing, you guys. I did see a shout out to um where are you? It was really sweet. Oh, Skeptic Cash says, which by the way, I do like your name. Skeptic Cash says, I love the honesty of you both. Shout out to
Oh,
you.
thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah. Tim Court says first time watching Terry. Is this Terry? Is Terry? Is she a trend person?
Not
Terry.
really.
No, she's. Can I try to describe your trading?
Please do.
So,
This will be
there.
funny to hear.
Well, the way. So Terry likes to look for cheap trades, in my opinion. She looks for a cheap trade. So, and then she likes to
Interesting.
hold trades. She does scalp occasionally, but she's very good at like grabbing like 50, 60, 70, 80, 100 points, like, like looking
Woo!
for those big moves. And I usually see her looking for something like a break, like if it's consolidating, putting in a little bit of a range, especially pre-market. I oftentimes will see her take a trade that's um, taking the break of that consolidation and then looking for a move back to the VWAP or something like that. And then she can place a stop where it makes sense, like at the low or at the high or something like that. If she's in a short, she places a stop at the high and looks for a run back into the middle of the range, things like that. That's usually what I see you doing. But
Oh, thank you, Pine. It's fun to hear how someone describes your trading strategy. Adrian says, go big or go home strategy.
Yeah.
And then Adrian said, just kidding. Yes, this is true too. Go big or go home sometimes. Yeah, it's fantastic when it works. It's terrible when it doesn't.
Jack Boom says they're hiding their P&L for your protection, guys. Yes. It's something that 0 days says a lot, which is kind of
Yeah.
funny.
Um,
Yeah.
I,
I'm hiding it for your protection.
okay, so
Yeah.
I'm thinking our dual challenge here, where we're going to see who can win. 5-tick challenge. Let's make it one mini. So we're trying to capture 5 ticks on each trade. And then let's make it so that we get 4 trades, because that'll be about $100 after commissions, I believe. Sound good? And it's 4, you have to get all 4 right in a row. You can take it whenever you want, but you have to get all 4 right. If you can get 4 out of 4, you win. It could be a
Okay.
tie, but I'm gonna try. You guys, I'm gonna try really hard. Are you down? Do you accept my challenge, Pine?
Yeah, I accept your challenge. For
Okay.
sure.
Okay, so we have news in about 9 minutes, and what do we have on the docket? We have GDP month over month. Oh, that's Canada's. We have prelim GDP, the U.S. Quarter over quarter. We also have core durable goods order month over month, durable goods order month over month, prelim GDP price index. Ooh, there's a lot here. That capacity utilization rate, industrial production month over month. Okay, in 8 minutes I can put on the news from CNBC so we can hear what they have to say.
Nice.
Yeah, you know, when they do the news announcements, I do like how they do it. I find it entertaining.
Yeah, you like to pay attention to the news for sure. Red Candles, what's going on? Pro Trader, thank you so much. I believe this is Stargazer Lily, also a longtime follower of mine.
Hey,
She says,
Stargazer.
Terry, what time do you normally go live? So this time,
8
yeah,
a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
yeah.
Monday through Friday. Although this week with the holiday week, I'm not sure yet. But yeah, typically it's Monday through Friday at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks for asking. How have you been? I remember seeing your handle from 0 Day J's chat like a long time ago. Yeah, it's great to
Oh,
see you here.
Stargazer, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, gold right at all-time highs again in the overnight. Kind of crazy, right?
Yeah, it is crazy.
What does that mean for the market? That's what I want to know. It's like, I mean, usually it's a hedge of, people are scared and people
Yeah.
are buying up gold, but I don't know. NASDAQ and everything is just still in good shape.
Yes. I'm tempted to hop into the first trade. I have to get it right, you guys.
Oh, really? Already? Wow. I'm kind of waiting for
Alrighty.
that news to pop out. I said, to me,
Oh, all right. I'm in. Oh man. I hope I don't lose right away, you guys. I should have made Pine go first. Okay, here we are. It's this account up here. Oh, okay. Oh, go. It's a short. We're looking for 5 ticks. Get down. I think
I
it'll
look for
get
that
there.
break, that momentum lower.
Yeah, it's like paint drying right now though. No
Yeah.
bueno.
These,
Uh-oh.
the pre-market, anytime I'm awake and trying to trade this, it's always tricky to me. I don't know why.
Oh, I'll be so sad if I lose right away. That's not any fun. Oh man. Okay, I'll let it work. Either it's going to work or it's not. I might lose right away. But you know what though? Pine, you'll have to go too. If I lose this trade, you have to go and we have to see you knock that 1 out of 1 and then you'll win. And
Yeah.
I'll give you a tangerine as a prize. Okay, news in about 5 minutes here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what it means for the markets that gold is so high. Like to me, people usually go into gold because it's like a safe haven, right?
Yeah. Ed
Okay.
says that silver's over $70. Holy cow.
Wow. I looked at gold on the run up for year to date and it's up 70%
Oh wow.
year to
Yeah, silver,
date.
that's nuts. $70 for silver.
Yeah. I remember seeing silver in like the 20s.
That's why I bought a bunch of silver in the 20s. Unfortunately, I don't have it. I kind of sold it off when it went to 50s.
Yeah.
But yeah, like physical silver, like coins and stuff. But I still have some.
Oh, dang it. I lost. Okay, so you're going to have to win your next one. Oh man, I didn't do a good job, you guys. I
I
did
know.
not.
I was thinking I didn't want to like. I guess I could have just faded you because it put it in a it put it in a Harami candle on the 5 minute, and I was thinking, well, maybe I'll just take the long off that 69, but I whatever. Stargazer says she's sick with COVID. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Oh, that sucks. I
It's
hope
always
you
the oh man, like over the holiday, that's the worst.
It is the
But
worst. I hope you feel better soon.
same. Let's see. What's up,
That
ICT?
sucks.
Good morning. Good morning. I'm sure we missed a lot of people, but thanks guys for tuning in.
Yes, thanks for tuning in. TTBZ, the Funded Trader, Sath, Red Candles. Yes, the Visionary. Tris 44, let's go. Okay, you
So
guys, I think Pine might win the tangerine. We shall see.
we'll see. I'm gonna wait for that news to pop out. So the link on top of the chat is for a Lucid account giveaway.
Yes. Make sure you get your name on there. It's to win a free, all in. It's free. There's no activation fee. 25K Lucid Flex. I am loving Lucid, like how fast their payouts are. It's so fast.
Yeah, so Lucid also just, I mean, this sounds like a Lucid commercial, but Lucid just maybe Lucid's listening. Lucid actually just changed one of their rules for the better. They went from 50% of your trades had to be over 10 seconds or more. So 50%, and they lowered it to 5 seconds or more.
Yeah.
So that's really good. I mean, if they're going to have a set amount of time to have, I mean, 5 seconds is pretty reasonable, I think.
Yeah.
You know, and that's basically to prevent the hyper scalping, from bots, basically. You know, they're not trying to like attack someone that's like scalping,
like my 5 tick challenge here.
Well, I mean, that could, depending on the time of the market.
That's true.
If you're in New York, 5 ticks is really quick, but as long as it's 50% or more,
yeah. One thing
of your trades is good, but
yeah. One thing I saw that I love about Lucid trading is that whatever you pay upfront, that's it. There's no monthly cost after that, like even for their eval. So I've been trading only the direct to funded accounts with Lucid. However, now that I know this, I've been looking at their other accounts, like looking at the Pro and also the Flex, because like that's really cool that you can just pay one evaluation fee and then you're not going to get rebilled, which could help me like slow down, right? Like the whole pass or smash thing. I feel like it does come from a place of I want to get this over with. One, I want to make money as quickly as possible, but also two, I don't want to pay the rebill price, which is funny. Because if you blow accounts, like that's silly.
yeah,
You're going to end up paying more. So I
yeah.
love that about Lucid. Like I don't know any other firms that are doing that. And so yes, go Lucid. They are a new firm and they've really come out like swinging at their competitors. Hey,
thank you.
Alfred.
Thank you, Special K. Appreciate that.
Okay, news, guys. News in 15 seconds. Here we go. Let me put on our show.
What's up, Alfred? What's going on, buddy? Alfred loves the daily payouts too.
Yeah, Alfred is GOAT. He's in the Pro Plus, which you would love to get into, right? Okay, here we go.
Yeah, that's a goal for next year for 2026. That's one of my goals. What's one of your goals for? We got news out.
News is out. But you can't trade news in the pro, I thought, right?
Yeah, I gotta wait a minute. Plus, the spread is just crazy right now.
Okay, news is out. Here we go.
Welcome back to Squawk Box. Rick Santelli here live with CME HQ with some delay but very important data points. We'll be looking at October preliminary durable goods, Philly Fed, and GDP. Second time around the block, delayed third quarter numbers.
Ooh, market's pushing down.
Okay, I'm trying the scalp again.
Back in another trade.
That is a
Yeah.
nice jump. And I know many may question gathering.
Are you trying to shame me?
No.
Go.
Third quarter of 2023 when it was 4.7.
Did put in an equal low at that low on the 5 minutes. I think on the.
Oh, dang it. I don't know about this 5-tick bracket.
It's broken.
It's broken. Okay, GDP is much higher, 4.3% versus 3.2%.
Quarter 23 to find a higher price structure. You'd have to go to the last quarter of 2022 when we were at 3.9%. Now, if you look at core, a different story. Price index was warm.
Someone watching TV? Yeah, it's CNBC. Terry loves watching CNBC.
I love it.
I love not to know. So I don't want to know news. I don't want to know any of that stuff. Like when I'm trading personally, it's kind of funny.
Just the first quarter of this year. Now, let's go to Philly Fed non-manufacturing comes in at minus 16.8. That is actually very close to expectations. That would be the weakest read since October's minus 22. Now let's go to durable goods. These numbers are October preliminary, minus 2.2%. We're expecting minus 1.5%.
The bond yields are mixed. The treasuries are mixed.
July of this year. And if we look at X transportation, well, it definitely improves. Close to expectations, up 0.2%. Up 0.2. Well, we're up 0.6.
So I'm long from the 72.25.
To up 0.7 to give you an idea. Up 0.2.
We'll see.
The weakest quarter going back to unchanged quarter.
Kind of curious if that Harami holds.
On the 5 minute?
Let's look at
yeah.
Okay, let's take a look at what Pine's looking at.
Coming in up 0.5%, better than expected. Very solid revision in the rearview mirror to up 1.1. Up 1.1 would comp.
This is the 5 minute.
Up 1.9, up 0.5. Well, up 0.5 would be actually the weakest, going back to minus 1.5 in April.
Kind of muted, I feel like, for news. It's not red folder news. It's
right.
orange.
Up 0.7. This is good news.
Oh, durable goods is
multiples of the up 0.3 we're looking for, and in the rearview mirror, a very healthy
negative
position from up
2.2
9
versus negative 1.2.
After all of that, what's going on? Well, interest rates are to the upside a bit, and that may have something to do with the pricing index on the negative news side. But on the positive news side, better GDP is always good.
Well, that holiday volume is just really slow.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. I got my 5 ticks.
Oh man. Okay, you win. You win. I will give you a tangerine. Congratulations.
From 672.25 to 73.50.
So what did you see? Were you just looking at the DOM?
I was looking at the Harami. So kind of like on the 5 minute at 720, I guess.
This Harami.
We put in that Harami. We came down. We tested
one.
that low. We pushed back up.
Yeah.
On that Harami, and I just kind of was like, well, maybe we'll try to hold above it a little bit. And of course, we're just looking for that 5 tick because Terry wants me to do that 5 tick challenge, which is like 1 point and 1 tick, right?
It's 1.1 tick.
1.1 tick on the NASDAQ. So
yeah.
Now five. Well, it wouldn't be 5 ticks, but on gold, that would be a big trade.
It would be. This is true. Yeah.
It's like $100, right?
$100. But I feel like with the spread on gold, just to get in, it's hard to get in
Yeah.
with a market order. Okay, here we go. I'm in short. I'm looking for about a 1-to-1. Hopefully we can make back some of the losses that we had earlier.
It's trying to push down.
It is.
Gold's trying to push
I'm
back
gonna bring
up.
this down a little bit farther, actually.
Gold just bounced off the VWAP at 45.15 and then bounced almost 8 points.
Wow.
Like gold is moving again.
Oh, let's go. Oh my gosh. I'm on the 1-minute chart and it's like this candle looks ginormous.
Oh, wow. Yeah, we were really pushing down.
We really are.
Now you're thinking, I don't
Let's
want to go for 5.
go.
Now you're thinking you don't want to go for 5 ticks.
Oh no, I moved it, Pine. I moved it.
Oh.
Yeah. I went for about I don't know, maybe 1 to 2. Yeah. Because I was looking for a break of the low of day on this news candle. Let's go. Let's go. Woohoo. Okay,
yeah, I think
so
that
you
we could
won,
run that.
I won.
Yeah, this is good. So we have that open gap down at the.
Oh,
where
here
is it? It's
I can change. I can show your screen real quick. Wait, did you want to share it?
Oh, sure. It doesn't matter. Yeah.
Okay. Maybe just talk about it, and then I'll get the form ready for our giveaway.
Oh yeah. So below 627 to 600s, basically we have that gap from the Sunday open, and it's just sitting there wide open. So it's pretty interesting that we're pushing down now, and I wonder if we try to run that down to the 600s.
Very interesting. Okay, so possibly looking for shorts during trading day today.
Yeah, I mean, we could be trying to run that right now. We could run that 627, which is where yesterday's low for the New York session, and then possibly down to that 600 level, trying to backfill that open gap on NASDAQ.
All right, giveaway is closed, so I'm going to copy and paste all the names. I'll take off any duplicates, and then we will do the wheel together.
Nice.
Do you typically trade in pre-market? No, because you're usually sleeping.
Yeah, I'm usually, I wake up about like 10-15 minutes before the market opens usually.
Yeah.
The New York market, and then sometimes I put clothes on to trade. Sometimes I don't. I mean, just whatever.
I love it. You're telling everyone the truth. You're like, you guys, this is what I do. I do trade naked sometimes.
You never know. I think I had one of the best trading days I've ever had. One of the highest single trades ever, just laying in bed.
Yeah.
Like in the morning. And
I love
that was during that big volatility. And I think I woke up, I grabbed my laptop, saw a nice play, and I was in a take profit trader account. And it was just nuts. Like I think I made like across a few accounts. It was like 15,000-20,000, I guess, across a few accounts.
Oh,
like for a daily payout. Like it was just nuts. And I was just laying in bed. So we're trying to push down here. 635 is the low. Wondering if we run that.
Maybe it's like good news is bad news day. With I heard them say GDP was better than expected. You never know when good news is good news or good news is bad news.
So we just broke below that 627 now, and we're looking to fill that gap to 600.
Yeah, let's go. What do you think are some of the keys to your successes of getting payouts? Because I know there are a lot of people who probably haven't gotten their first payout yet that might be listening.
I just hopped in this quick short there. I added to that daily payout now. So it's at $4,885 on the 150K Pro. So I get the balance up
Nice.
to 6,340. So anything over 4,500 is daily payout.
Are you serious? The balance is over 6,000 now?
Yeah, I just hopped in that quick short as we broke down through that 627 and basically looking to fill some of that gap. So I hopped in really quickly.
Ooh.
But yeah, that's just like, it's just like sometimes you just see those little nuances where when you break those levels and you finally like, oh, well, we had that open gap from Sunday. And now it feels like it's going to try to fill that. And that's just like kind of like a feeling, especially on a very bearish candle like that just after news. You're like, oh, the market's going to try to correct that and fill those gaps, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's just something that you notice sometimes.
And this is something I've heard you share on your stream. You call them single prints, right? Or zero prints.
Yeah, zero prints. Yeah. So on the histogram on the DOM, one day I was just kind of during the Globex Open. I trade the Globex for the stream, but like I never really traded it, before that. Like, so I kind of been trying to learn like different strategies and things to do for when I'm streaming. And then I just noticed one day, I'm like, wow, this is kind of a cool scalping technique where on the histogram, I noticed that when the market opens, it starts filling all these orders up and down, up and down, up and down, but it skips over certain prices and it leaves little gaps in the price. And yeah, and you can just see them on the histogram on the DOM, or I think you can see them on a small tick chart too. And it'll just leave these gaps. And then so I'll try to look for a setup on the 5-minute and then try to like trade into those gaps.
Like a price target.
And it gives me like these defined price targets, and it works pretty well. I'm still practicing with it, but it works pretty well. But yeah, so Sunday night we opened up with that gap, and I was like, oh, we're pushing down into that gap. But
okay, that took a minute for Google Gemini to make the list, but they did make the list. So now I have to try and copy this list. Yeah, it looks like
Alfred says he trades all his options naked.
You have to have a big account for that, Alfred.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. I know. I can't wait to be able to do that, like to do cash secured puts and covered call strategy, the wheel strategy on it.
Yes. Yeah, you taught me how to trade option spreads.
Yeah.
And it's really cool.
It is really cool. I think like anything with any strategy, like one of the hardest things is just sticking with it and sticking to your rules too.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah.
Because even with the option spreads, you're going to have a losing day. And 100%. So like if you hit your strike or whatever your strategy is, it's like you got to get out. You got to get out.
Yeah.
You can't like let it go against you.
You can't hope
too much.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, let's see here. Google Docs. I was using Google Docs. I was using Google Docs for the promo on my Funded Futures stream, and someone was like, "That's janky," using Google Docs.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It was a valid comment, but I thought it was funny. Like they called it janky, and they're like, LOL.
Yeah.
Okay, one sec, guys. I am going.
Oh, look, we get 114 people watching. Smash that like button, guys, for the giveaway. We're gonna give away a Lucid account.
Let's go.
So let's get those likes up. Let's get Terri those watchtowers.
Yes. Thank you.
So she can get monetized. You must be getting pretty close, though.
I think so. I'm over halfway.
Yeah, you'll be there soon.
Because like the watch hours from shorts, it's like no watch hours,
Yeah.
Okay. So I will get this ready for us. Do you see anything else in the market as far as a trade idea?
So we're just popping back up now, possibly putting in an inside bar. We filled most of the open gap from Sunday night. Filled most of it, but we didn't fill all of it, which is a little interesting. We left probably, let's see, maybe like 8 points, something like that. But we didn't fill all of it. So, and it's trying to bounce right now. Putting in an inside bar, it just triggered long for the inside bar, but I'm not gonna take it. I just got out of that trade, so
Yeah.
And we have that still have a little bit of that gap down there below 608. So I don't really want to, I don't know. I mean, maybe a little scalp to the upside, but there's still that just below 608 little gap to be filled, which doesn't need to get filled, but it's just a kind of like a high probability that it probably will at some point. But I've seen those small gaps like not get filled right away. I mean, so right now we're trying to get that bounce here. A little volatility for the market. I don't know what to expect today. I mean, yesterday the open, it seemed like if you didn't catch the move or any of the moves off the open, then I don't know, you're kind of shit out of luck, really. And then,
Yeah.
market just kind of dried up, and with the holiday and then the holiday trading, I don't really know what to expect. I don't feel like it's going to be super volatile, but you never know.
Yeah, you never
Gold
know.
seems to be like pretty volatile lately, even during the holidays. So I don't know.
Are you ready, Pine?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. We are going to finish our show with this giveaway. One lucky person will win a 25K flex account from Lucid Trading. Thank you so much, Lucid. Thank you, Pine, for bringing us the gifts to share with everyone. All right.
Yes.
Are you guys ready, chat? Type in 1 if you're ready. And it's good luck. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, sorry, Bew. We did close the giveaway, but do join us in the future because we will have more fun giveaways in the future.
Yeah, Star, join me tonight if you have a chance, because I'm going to be doing a ton of giveaways tonight. I'm talking like multiples.
Yes, giveaway bonanza.
Yeah.
Okay, good luck, everyone. Alfred says good luck, everyone. Let's go. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Who will it be? Who will it be? No way! Oh, congratulations. ICT, not gonna lie. Let's go.
Oh, nice. Congratulations.
Congratulations. I will be sending you an email, and we can send you that code for the Lucid account. Thank you, everyone, for joining us. Thank you so much, Pine, for coming and keeping us company, sharing all your wonderful strategies, and also bringing the account to give to our special people.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thanks for having me. Good luck today, everyone. It's a holiday, so if you're green, then stay green, because I'm not trying to tell you guys what to do, not financial advice, but I'd be willing to bet that after the morning open that the afternoon is just going to get really sideways and choppy. So
could be.
It's really, really tough to try to make back losses or anything when it gets choppy. I've been known to blow up a lot of accounts trying to do that, so don't do that. And join me tonight on my stream with Terri.
At Pinetree Trader.
Yeah, with Terri. And we're going to give away a bunch of accounts. I got a bunch of Apex accounts to give away. I have a bunch of Lucids to give away, and I have some Take Profit Trader accounts to give away. So it's going to be a lot of fun.
Woohoo! That's it. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Thank you, everyone.